Today we're looking at page 3 of the chapter 12 practice test. So number 19, the directions from the prior page says find the value of the trig function indicated. And this one they want the secant. So first you want to get the cosine of theta, which from this angle is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And then for the secant theta, you want to take the reciprocal. So 5 root 5 over 5. The 5's cancel, and you're just left with rad 5 over 1, or just rad 5. Number 21, we're going to get the cotangent of theta. So first let's get the tangent of theta. So from this angle, you want opposite over adjacent. So 4 rad 11 over 20. Cotangent of theta, we're going to flip it to, or take the reciprocal. So 20 over 4 rad 11. Can't have the radical in the denominator, so you need to multiply by square root of 11 over square root of 11, which gives you 20 square roots of 11 over 4 times 11. And then 4 goes into 20 5 times. So 5 square roots of 11 over 11. Number 23, we want to find the measure of each angle indicated, round to the nearest tenth. So angle theta right here. We've got the adjacent side and the hypotenuse. That means we're going to use the cosine of theta equal to 2.7 over 9. Since I'm solving for an angle, I know I need to use inverse of that ratio. Type it in the calculator. I roughly, rounded to the nearest tenth, 72.5. Number 25, find the measure of each side indicated. Again, round to the nearest tenth. So from this angle, we've got opposite and hypotenuse. So I want to use sine of 42 degrees equals x over 13. Multiply both sides by 13. Type 13 times the sine of 42 in the calculator. Hit the equal sign. Round it to the nearest tenth, I got 8.7.